Hello everyone. So we already have learned how to do registration of an image to a template. There is a common case where the image we want to register has a tissue mask, and after registering the image, we need to transform the tissue mask too. That is what we are going to learn in this video. So where is the workflow? As before, we have the raw image and the template image. We do the registration of the raw image, and the first output is the registered image and the transformations. The next step is the transformation of the mask. In this step, the inputs are the registered image, the transformations generated, and the tissue mask we need to transform. After transforming the mask, the output will be the mask registered. We have loaded our raw example together with the mask tissue. I'm going to execute the registration of this image to the template, as we did in the previous video. I will pause the video and I will continue after that. So now we have our raw example registered to the template image. As you can see, we explore a few slices just to see the result. Now, I will proceed to save this image. We have the same snippet as before. We execute, and here we have the new file. We save the file, and let's continue. So now comes the extra steps to register the mask. We're going to use the function ants.applyTransform. We pass the mask image we want to transform as the moving parameter. We have already loaded the tissue mask as an ants image, so it is ready to be used here. Then, as the fixed parameter, we pass the warp move out key of the transformation dictionary. Remember, this transformation dictionary was generated during the registration. Finally, as the transform list parameter, we pass the key fwd transform of the transformation dictionary. Here it is contained the transformation information. This function is going to use as a reference the registered image. It's going to transform the mask, and it is going to use the transformation information contained here. Be aware that this step is not a registration. It is a step where we take what was generated during the registration and apply it to other image. So keep that in mind. We're going to execute. Here we have some logs of the process. So now we are going to plot the registered mask. I pass the registered image and the registered mask in the contour function. And there we go. So now you can see the registered is plotted together with the registered version of the mask. Pretty cool, right? So we explore a few more slices just to see the result. Great. So now what we are going to do is to save the registered mask. We create the path, and as you can see, there is the suffix of the mask and the suffix of registered. We save the file. Great. So now you have learned how to register an image to a template and also how to register the corresponding tissue mask by using the transformations generated during the registration. And all of this using the Antspy library. So that's it by now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.